What if I told you that the difference between broke and wildly successful isn't luck, talent, or who you know? It's a single burning thought you hold in your mind every single day. Napoleon Hill says thoughts aren't just fluffy ideas. They're things that can literally make you rich. Stick around because this book is about to flip how you see everything. Picture this. Back in the early 1900s, a young guy named Napoleon Hill gets a crazy assignment from the steel tycoon Andrew Carnegie. Carnegie says, "Go study the most successful people on the planet, over 500 of them, including Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, John D. Rockefeller, and figure out what makes them tick." Hill spends more than 20 years interviewing these giants, and in 1937, he drops Think and Grow Rich. This isn't some fluffy motivational speech. It's a practical blueprint for turning your thoughts into real money, real success, real life change. It sold over 100 million copies because it works. People read it, apply it, and boom, their bank accounts and their confidence start growing. Hill's big idea: riches start in your mind. Change how you think, and the money, opportunities, and life you want start showing up. Get this, it's not about working harder, it's about thinking smarter. Super exciting, right? Let's walk through the book the way Hill lays it out. He builds it like a ladder. Each step takes you higher. He calls them the 13 steps toward riches, sometimes counted as principles. I'll group some close ones so it flows nice and easy like we're chatting. It all kicks off with a bang in the intro and Chapter 1, Thoughts Are Things, the Power of Thought. Hill starts with the wild story of Edwin Barnes, this nobody who decides he's going to become Thomas Edison's business partner. No money, no connections, just a white-hot obsession. He rides a freight train to meet Edison, gets laughed at, but keeps showing up. Years later, Edison makes him a partner selling this new gadget. Lesson: thoughts mixed with purpose become powerful. Your dominant thoughts shape your reality. Imagine obsessing over "I'm broke." Guess what keeps showing up? Flip it to "I'm building wealth" and watch doors open. Next up, Chapter 2, Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Not wishy-washy wanting, burning desire. Hill says you gotta want it so bad it hurts. He gives 6 steps to turn desire into gold. Fix exactly what you want, like I want $100,000 by age 35. Set a deadline, write it down, make a plan, read it aloud twice a day. Think of it like ordering from the universe's menu. Be specific. Can you believe people skip this and wonder why nothing happens? Then comes Faith, Chapter 3. Faith is the head chemist that turns desire into reality. It's believing so strongly that doubt can't sneak in. Hill talks auto-suggestion here, repeating positive stuff to yourself until your subconscious buys it, like telling yourself "I'm unstoppable" every morning. He shares how famous people used this to overcome fear. Picture this: you're scared to ask for a raise, but you repeat, "I deserve this and I'm getting it." Suddenly, your confidence skyrockets. Auto-suggestion gets its own spotlight, tied to faith. It's self-talk on steroids. Write affirmations, say them with emotion. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. It's like programming your brain's GPS to drive you to success instead of dead ends. Specialized knowledge, Chapter 5. General smarts won't bat it. You need specific know-how for your goal. But here's the cool part. You don't have to know everything. Henry Ford didn't know how to build every car part. He surrounded himself with experts. So get the knowledge, books, courses, mentors, or team up with people who have it. Imagination, Chapter 6. 2 kinds: synthetic, rearranging old ideas, and creative, flashes of insight from who knows where. Hill says ideas are the starting point of fortunes. Coca-Cola? One man's imagination. Use yours to visualize success vividly. See the money, feel the win. It's like mental rehearsal athletes do before the big game. Organized planning, Chapter 7. Desire without a plan is just daydreaming. Make a definite plan, write it, get feedback, adjust. If it fails, make a new plan. Hill stresses leadership qualities here. Be decisive, take responsibility. He even gives tips on how to pick team members and avoid common pitfalls. Decision, Chapter 8. Procrastination kills dreams. Successful people decide quickly and change slowly. Hill says opinions of others can poison you. Keep your plans quiet, except with your mastermind group. Henry Ford stuck to his V8 engine even when engineers said it was impossible. Boom, he proved them wrong. Persistence, Chapter 9. This is the fuel. Most people quit when things get tough. Hill says willpower plus desire equals persistence. Build it like a muscle. Every time you push through, it gets stronger. Stories of people failing hundreds of times, but winning big because they didn't quit. Think Edison and the light bulb, 10,000 failures. The power of the mastermind, Chapter 10. This is Hill's famous idea. No one succeeds alone. A mastermind is two or more people working in harmony toward one goal. Their brains create a third mind, extra power, like a band where the whole is greater than the parts. Find your crew. Then things get a bit deeper. The mystery of sex transmutation, Chapter 11. Yeah, it's wild. Hill says sexual energy is the most powerful drive. Channel it, don't suppress it, into creative work, ambition, drive. Many geniuses were super passionate people who redirected that energy. It's not about being celibate, it's about using that fire for your goals. The subconscious mind, Chapter 12. Your subconscious is like a fertile garden. Plant good seeds, positive thoughts, or weeds grow. It accepts whatever you feed it through autosuggestion and emotion. Guard it. The brain, Chapter 13. Your brain is a broadcasting and receiving station for thoughts. Tune it to success frequencies. The mastermind amps this up. Finally, the sixth sense, Chapter 14. This is intuition, that gut healing. It comes after mastering the other steps, like a door opening to wisdom. Hill calls it the apex. And he wraps with warnings about the 6 ghosts of fear: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears block success. Recognize them, kick them out. Whew, that's the journey from burning desire all the way to tapping into your higher intuition. Key takeaways section. Here are 10 of the biggest gems, simple, powerful, ready to use today. 1. Thoughts are things. What you think about most becomes your reality. Tip: audit your thoughts daily. Swap "I can't" for "how can I?" 2. Burning desire is everything. Wishy-washy wants don't work. Tip: write your top goal right now. Make it specific. Read it twice a day with emotion. 3. Faith moves mountains. Believe first, then see. Tip: create 3 to 5 affirmations and say them out loud every morning like you mean it. 4. Autosuggestion reprograms your mind. Repetition plus emotion equals belief. Tip: record your goals and listen while driving or sleeping. 5. Specialized knowledge beats general knowledge. Learn exactly what you need. Tip: find one mentor or course this week for your biggest goal. 6. Imagination creates reality. Visualize success daily. Tip: spend 5 minutes before bed picturing your dream life in detail. 7. Organized planning turns dreams into steps. No plan, no progress. Tip: break your big goal into 3-month chunks and act on one today. 8. Master persistence. Quitters never win. Tip: when you want to quit, remember one more try has created fortunes. 9. Build a mastermind group. Surround yourself with winners. Tip: reach out to 2 or 3 positive people this month to brainstorm together. 10. Conquer fear. The 6 ghosts hold most people back. Tip: write down your biggest fear, then write why it's nonsense and what you'll do anyway. Who this book is for and problems it solves. This book is perfect for anyone who's tired of average and ready to level up. Entrepreneurs starting a side hustle, employees feeling stuck in a job they hate, students figuring out their path, or parents wanting more for their family, or anyone who's ever thought, there has to be more to life than this. It's especially killer for these situations. If you're procrastinating and can't get started on your dreams, this shows you how desire plus decision kills excuses. If you're struggling with self-doubt or imposter syndrome, faith and autosuggestion build unbreakable confidence. If you're feeling like you're working hard but going nowhere, organized planning and persistence get you moving forward fast. If you're going it alone and burning out, the mastermind principle gives you a team without hiring anyone. If you're facing constant setbacks or failures, persistence and the right mindset turn failures into stepping stones. Wanting more money but no clue how? It shifts you from money is hard to riches follow the right thinking. Just feeling lost or unmotivated? Burning desire lights that fire inside you again. Listen, friend, Think and Grow Rich isn't magic. It's a system. Apply even half of it consistently, and you'll be amazed at what starts showing up in your life. Hill says beat them with positive thoughts. Don't let fears control you. Replace them with faith and action. In the end, Hill says anyone can get rich if they use these 13 steps every day. He reminds us, thoughts are things. Start small, build habits, and watch your life change. And that's the full magic of Think and Grow Rich, friends. If this story inspired you to chase your big dreams, do one small thing for me. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next amazing book summary, and hit that bell so you get notified every time a new one comes. Thank you so much for listening. Now go think big and grow rich. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.